will need to start by visiting our website at www.lexingtonnc.gov. Once here, you can scroll down, click on Pay Utilities. You'll see this redirect page, which in a few seconds will redirect you to our new payment portal. Once on the new payment portal, you will need to select Sign Up Now. Then you'll need to enter a username that you would like to create for yourself, a password, a password security question. You can choose from the drop-down the answer to that question, then you will need to enter your personal details. These details need to be the details connected to your utility account. You can also enter your phone number, then you will need your account number, which you can find on your utility bill in the top right-hand corner. And your zip code. Now you select I'm not a robot. You can select here to read the terms of use in order to create an account. Once you've read those, check accept and register now. Once you have verified your information and your account is created, you will see this screen here, which says that you will need to confirm your email address, and then you will be able to log in again. If you have not received the confirmation email, please check your spam folder.